Guys, I am so scared right now. My lights literally turned off when I left it on. My lights turned off, look. I am not kidding. I am literally... Yes, I am from the Philippines and I'm literally scared that someone's downstairs. Me and my brother are just chilling. We were eating red chocos and I don't know what to do. So um can you comment down below what should I do? Cause this is freaking me out. Seriously, I left it open. I am not joking around. I left it open. Oh my gosh. Come with me. Okay, I'm going down right now. Hello?